Welcome to JH. Today, I'll show you how to download apps on your Xumo TV, or more accurately, why you'll never be able to. Unfortunately, you cannot actually download new applications because the system comes preloaded with everything it thinks you need. It's a closed ecosystem, which is just a fancy way of saying you have zero control over your own device. The TV automatically adds new apps or deletes old ones through internet updates, so if your favorite niche streaming service disappears, just assume it was for your own good. You can find a full list of what's currently allowed on the Xumo website, assuming you enjoy reading lists of things you aren't allowed to change. On the bright side, it does come with the heavy hitters like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus already installed and ready to go. The device handles all the updates itself, sparing you the grueling task of clicking a download button. Just remember, there is no app store and no way to manually add or delete anything. It's basically the helicopter parent of televisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.